There was a barren land, rich with water. There was an Atlantic Ocean, like a Sahara desert. There was a desert in the depth of a sea. There was an ocean in the labs of a leaf. There was a story contained in a story. There was a story packed in glory. There was a silent knock, a knock at the knocking door. There was a grinning silence, a silence on the yelling floor. There was a stream of bright stars during sunlight. There were moisture lands during wet sky. There was a silent moon during the glossy dark. There was a dancing fire during the fluctuating star. There was a thirsty ocean, an ocean anchoring in the sea. There was breathing ash inclined to flee. There was lifeless life